Gear up for the ultimate Indy 500 experience with official IndyCar merchandise, from must-have driver apparel to exclusive team gear. Find everything you need to show your IndyCar support. You can grab your gear trackside at the Indy 500 or shop conveniently online at shopindycar.com. Don't miss out on the thrill of the Indy 500. Gear up and be a part of the action. We are under caution for the fourth time. We've turned a total of 21 laps at Davey. We're used to seeing attrition in the Indianapolis 500. Josh, just not this much this early.
No, not at all. I wouldn't be surprised you would see all cars finish it sometimes. But today, with some motors expiring, a couple accidents, right now,
there's a cozy kitty.
We see Ryan Hunter-Reay, Kipton Simpson, and Grant Rahal. Those guys coming to pit road. Let's check in with Rich 9.
Grant Rahal in and out in 8.7 seconds. He's moved up from that 33rd starting position to 25th as he pitted that time. Not bad for a guy who had to start way in the back.
So, Davey, that pit strategy continues to evolve as this race progresses.
Yeah, so we have really two teams, and that's Daly and Rossi. So the Foyt team and the Ryan Bokuzik team doing a completely different strategy. They went a long time on fuel. They're going to try to cut their pit stop out. It just depends on how it lays out in the race, if it's going to be an advantage or not. Everybody else is basically on the same strategy right now as far as pit stop.
Yeah, we're getting a replay of the incredible traffic that Nick Guillaume described on and off pit road, and it got a little dicey down there at pit exit.
Yeah, it got dicey, and you got to remember, Ferrucci, he's far back. He's basically at start-finish line, so he has to deal with a little bit of traffic. He was running second, came out in, where is Ferrucci right now? That 8th spot really would be 6th if you take Daly and Rob out of it, so definitely lost a few spots.
And the lights will go off on the pace car. We can tell you Daly, Rob, Rossi, McLaughlin, and Herta, your top 5. 6th, Newgarden, 7th, below. 8th, Ferrucci, as the lights come back on the pace car. Christian Rasmussen is 9th. Kyle Larson is 10th. Rinus VeeKay, 11th. Will Power is 12th. Augustin Canapino is 13th. Scott Dixon, 14th. Elio Castroneves is 15th. 16th is Roman Grosjean. 17th is Sato. 18th is Ward. 19th Carpenter. 20th Kirkwood. 21st is Ilott. 22nd is Andretti. 23rd is Ryan Hunter-Reay. 24th is Christian Lundgaard. Simpson, Rahal through 26th. Let's go back to pit road, check into Brian Marine.
Update on 2014 winner Ryan Hunter-Reay. He came in here at the end of this caution period. They wanted to give that car a look over, especially on the suspension. They had some contact earlier in the race that had them a bit concerned. That contact was with Kyle Larson, but everything checked out, and they're confident. But Ryan Hunter-Reay will have to come from the back.
And we'll look at Felix Rosenqvist out of the race in 27, 28th Lundqvist. Rest of these cars out of the race as well. 29th Legg, 30th Armstrong, 31st Blomqvist, 32nd Fittipaldi, 33rd Ericsson, penalty for the 21 car Rinus VeeKay.
It was a bummer. What an up and down month for Rinus. I mean, he's been running strong all day, kind of quiet, finds himself in that 11th position right now, but he's going to have to, unsafe release out of his pit. They're coming by start-finish line right now. He's going to cycle to the back of this field, and unfortunately have to try to fight his way back forward. We know that's not easy.
Daly plus 28, Rob is plus 21. Christian Rasmussen, solid race so far. He's plus 15. Roman Grosjean plus 11. Augustin Canapino is plus 10. Those that have fallen back include Felix Rosenqvist, who I should say is out of the race along with Armstrong and company. We covered that. McLaughlin has led 3 times for 41 laps. Connor Daly has led 18 laps on 3 different occasions, and Davey Stingray Rob's led the Indy 500.
Yeah, how about that strategy? A great job by Daly and Rob and those teams to put them on a different strategy. Why not? They were towards the back of the field. Might as well take a big gamble. Right now, it looks like it's paying off early on the race. Key thing is they need to stay ahead of these leaders so they get cycled to the back of the field.
So your top 10, Daly, Rob, Rossi, McLaughlin, and Herta, Newgarden, Palou, Ferrucci, Rasmussen, and Kyle Larson. Davey, he's worked his way back.
Yeah, no, after that little mistake on a restart, he's worked his way back up, have a strong car, beat some of those teammates of his that have a lot of experience, so putting himself in a good position.
Chris Teneri, how about the pace car?
Pace car is off. Back in 2021, Connor Daly led 40 laps. He's been a lap leader. Green flag here in Indianapolis.
And Daly, Rob, Rossi, McLaughlin, and Herta the top 5, but they're jockeying for position now at the start-finish line.
Connor took it all the way to the inside. outside line. They're going to go 4 wide, and Scott McLaughlin's going to pass 3 of them. McLaughlin takes the race lead as Colton Hurd is looking racy. Michael, he's looking for second. Scott McLaughlin did a nosedive into turn number 1, takes the lead. Now Joseph Newgarden will get around Connor